you may have seen on the channel already, this is my brand new 2015 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. Except for the fact that it's no longer brand new. And let me show you why. I got hit in this car. And first of all, how do you miss this thing? Like, how do you not see this car, right? Anyways, I got hit pulling into a parking lot. Somebody was pulling out of the parking lot. I was taking a left in, they were taking a left out, and ultimately clipped the back end of my car. And this is the result, unfortunately. There's really nothing I can do at this point besides look at it and be sad. Ultimately, the point of impact was about here on the car. And so this quarter panel, which is metal here, this is not only dented, but it's also scratched. You might be able to see that. And then this bumper, along with the bumper light, that is also dented as well as scratched. And so both of those things will need to be repaired and repainted and along those lines, as well as a new light installed here. And with the wheel itself, it's actually at a different angle, and I'm not entirely sure at this very point if that is a bent axle, a bent hub, all the above, a bent rim, something like that. I've yet to get it actually damage appraisal on it. That being said, or put it on a lift for even that matter, but that being said, it is out of whack. The traction control is going crazy when you drive the car. The electronic stability control is saying it needs to be serviced. So something's up with that, and it's actually bad enough where you can notice that the passenger side rear tire is also slightly off, and that's not straight aligned either. So as I mentioned, I'm not entirely sure if that's a bad axle or it needs a new axle entirely, but that's where it's at right now, and the accident just recently happened. Thankfully, everybody who was in the car was okay. I was driving, thankfully. It wasn't somebody else who was driving the car, but like I mentioned, definitely dents, definitely scratches. There will be a good amount of repairs that need to be done. And although it doesn't look bad from afar, unfortunately, this is thousands of dollars of damage. So that's where a professional will be doing it. We might note a couple things along the process on here on Burnout, but ultimately the repair will be taken care of by somebody who genuinely knows what they're doing and work with these level of cars better than our channel and the classic cars that we like to work on. So yeah, I mean, a little fun fact is I looked up how much the rim is, and from Dodge, I think it was like $1,600 for just the rim, which is insane. That's where I'm at right now. I'll be driving the Jeep, and please donate to our channel. And you know, you can actually donate by becoming a member too, and there's a little join now button below the video. Yeah, that'll help this dilemma here going on. So yeah, just click the join now. Even if you don't become a member, you can at least have a laugh out loud at what the members, what being a member will entail. And it will tell you the different levels of membership that we have, which are, by the way, all car related. So yeah, check out those memberships. Once again, it's in the join now button below the video, or you can go to our channel and find it there as well. Wait, this just in. The button actually says join. It says join down below, not join now. So join. Regardless of what it is, I need all the help I can get to fix this car. So join me in this journey, bringing Sublime back together. That's actually going to be all for this video. Sorry about the depressing topic, but unfortunately, that did happen. Once again, thankfully, everybody's okay. Ultimately, as much as we love cars on the channel, a car is a car, and nobody's life was in danger here, and everything worked out okay. So this is something that will be fixed, and you will see the car back here on Burnout. So that's all for this Burnout Extra. Be sure to check out those memberships like I mentioned. Stay tuned for more awesome content, and hopefully we'll have better videos than our cars being crashed into. Until next time. That's where I'm at with my life. Please donate. Yeah, it's bad. It's bad. Driving the car is bad. Sitting in the car is bad. Looking at the car is bad. My emotional state.